Hi again, my name is Michael. In this video, we will provide Super Sprayer priming instructions on the Easy Prime model. Under normal circumstances, the Super Sprayer operates seamlessly. However, once out of prime, we have an easier way to prime by using the Easy Prime model. There is not a need to open the ABS cover. Before priming, we need a bottle of water and a funnel. Number 1. First open the plexiglass door. Remove the cap on the holding tank. Number 2. Then, we take out one end of the tube. Make sure the tube and funnel are vertically aligned. The tube needs to be straight up. Number 3. After that, pour water into the funnel. Number 4. Push the foot bar continuously to feed water into the system. Continue until 2 to 3 sprayer heads start spraying. Number 5. After that, place the tube back into the tank facing down. Refill the ONOX Foot Solution. Close cap and plexiglass door and wash your hands thoroughly. Thank you for watching. If you need any help, please visit onox-inc.com.